In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from one Google Drive to another in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing shared projects, collaborating with others, or simply organizing your own files, this process is simple and efficient. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Any will work just fine. Once you have your browser open, type Google Drive into the search bar and hit Enter. You're looking for the official link, which is typically at the top of the search results, or you can go directly to the URL https://drive.google.com drive/quota. Once you're on the Google Drive page, you'll usually find that you're already logged in with your Google account. If not, just enter your credentials to access your drive. With access granted, start by locating the specific file or folder you want to transfer to another Drive account. This could be anything from documents to photos or entire project folders. Let's move on. Click on your desired file or folder. You'll notice icons appear, one of which is the Share icon. Alternatively, you might see a Manage Access button depending on your Drive interface. Click that to proceed. Next, you'll need to add the email of the person, or even another email of your own if you're transferring to a different account, to whom you want to transfer the file or folder. Once you've entered the relevant email, it's important to choose the appropriate access level. You'll typically choose Editor as the preliminary step to transferring ownership. Make sure you check the box to notify them with a message. If necessary, then go ahead and click Send. If the person you're transferring the file to already appears in the list of people with access to the document or folder, you can simply click on their current access level. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you the option to select Transfer Ownership. Click on that option, and remember, this gives the new owner full control over the file or folder, so make sure this is a final decision. The last step is to confirm the change. To do this, click on Save Changes. Keep in mind that the new owner will receive a notification requesting them to accept the ownership transfer. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your files from one Google Drive to another. This process isn't just quick. It ensures that your files are moved securely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.